In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and see the list of all the people that have guaranteed you a loan with Stima Sacco, and all this for free. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. So if you had applied for a loan from Stima Sacco and you used guarantors as security, there is an easy way you can find a list of all your guarantors from Stima Sacco. Now all you need to do is to go to Stima Sacco official website, which is this, and then from here scroll down to the internet banking section to log in. This is the internet banking section. Go ahead and click on it. If you already have an account, just go straight and log in. But if you don't have an account with Stima Sacco internet banking, you can do a self-registration using this online process for self-registration. So you'll enter your member number, your phone to get an account, and immediately you'll be able to log into your account. So once you have done, go ahead and enter your member number and the password you'll have created, and then log in to access your internet banking portal. You will receive an OTP. Go ahead and enter it and then hit on login. And here you will be in your account. Now from this platform, you can do so many things such as checking your account balance. And by the way, it is free to check your balance on various accounts such as Prime, Alpha Deposit, as well as shares on the Stima Sacco internet banking. For now, we are interested in finding the list of guarantors. To do so, we shall head to statements. That's where we find the list of guarantors, and head to loan guarantor statement. So currently I have a list of 4 guarantors who guaranteed me a loan that I secured with Stima Sacco, and from this statement I can see their names, the amount guaranteed, and as well the date this was done. And all this information is just available. All you need is to log into your internet banking and then head over to statement to see your loan guarantor statements. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section, and kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.